Alright, in this video we're gonna talk more about Ownable. So what is Ownable? Basically, Ownable contract is often used as a base contract to manage ownership and access control for other contracts, and Ownable contract provides a simple way to ensure that certain functions or actions can only be executed by the owner of the contract. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the example. As usual, we're going to create pragma solidity of the current version. We're going to create 0.8.18 of version solidity. Don't forget about the license. We are going to use MIT as a license, and then type contract, name it with Ownable, open up the curly brace, and then first and foremost type the data types of address as the state variable, and then make it public, and then named it with owner. Alright, so we are going to create constructor, same thing like the previous video. To calling up the address from the state variable, we have to make the function like this. Owner is equals to message.sender or msg.sender, like this, to calling up the address and use it only once, because constructor is basically a function that you can call it only once. And then create function to setting up the new owner, set owner. We're gonna name it with set owner. Alright, so in this argument we are going to create new owner, and then don't forget about the third type, address, and then make it external, because later we're gonna use a modifier function. And then open up the curly brace and then type the requirement. In this argument we're gonna create new owner is not equals to address of 0, because we don't want to make it 0. And then if does, then that will declare the statement of invalid address, like that. And then down below update the function with the owner is equals to new owner, like this. And then create the modifier function, modifier function, and then named it with only owner. And then open up the curly brace, set up the requirement. In this condition we're going to type message.sender is equals to owner, and if it does not work like that, then it will declare the statement of not the owner or whatever you want to use. And then don't forget about the underscore semicolon. That means it will getting attached to the function down below. And then don't forget to type the name of the modifier variable after external, right here, owner, only owner, capital O. Alright, so after that we're going to create the function of, anyone can call the function, anyone can call this function, and then type external, and then open up the curly brace, and then just empty it, goes here. And if you want to try it out another code, just do it. And then create another function called, only owner can call this function, alright, and then empty the parenthesis, type external, and then after that, don't forget about the modifier owner, modifier that named with only owner, alright, because we're going to attach the modifier owner with this function. Only owner can call this function, and then type only owner right here, and then open up the curly brace, and then I'm gonna make the comment with another code goes here, and then after that we are going to test it out. Compile it first, compile it, and then succeed, and then deploy it. Don't forget to use London version of Remix virtual machine. Choose the first account right here and then deploy it. It succeeds. Check this out for the detail, and then this detail as well, and then the owner should be matched up with this owner. As you can see, it's already been synchronized. Alright, so then try every function that we already created. Anyone can call it, succeed. Only owner can call it, succeed. And then let's try another address, and then try this function. Only owner can call it, and it doesn't work. And then if you want to update the address and then change the address, copy the second account or whatever account that you want to use. In this case, I want to use the second account. Copy the address, and then paste, and then back to the first account to set the owner account, and then the owner should be changed. Boom, right here. And then anyone can call it, and then only owner can call it. Should be doesn't work. And then change the owner that we already updated, and then calling up this function, only owner can call it, and boom, there you go, it succeeds.